Here we have a Honda CRF300 Rally, which will build in purpose to finish a very strong event here in Greece, 24 hours. And today I will show you the full equipment we use for this build. This build has a KTM windshield, our navigation tower, a crucial part to connect the navigation tower with the frame of the bike. Here we have the equipment which is used by the rider to finish the rally event. The headlights we use, which is street legal, and we have to use only street legal products so everybody can use it on the road. This is our best-seller navigation tower. It's made to be for several bikes. We use it on almost all our projects. The navigation plate can be adjustable, so you can move it to your place and have a view of your equipment. The standard plates is for GPS and speedometer. Also we have a place for standard speedometer for 701, 690 and other bikes. This point here is easily customizable, so this is something special for each project itself. This is the most important thing about this build. This is a piece which connects the frame of the bike with the navigation tower. We made it and we cut it in our CNC machines, and it's made in this purpose, so the steering lock to be free and the steering wheel to have full access on the bike. This is a KTM windshield which we used on our build because it's already tested on many rally events such as Africa Eco Race, Dakar Race. It's made from KTM. It's also street legal because it's a KTM spare part. It takes the shape of the bike. It's like a part of the bike. These headlights are used on our navigation tower, are street legal, made from Hella. We use high beam, low beam and also the position light. And the cover are made from KTM, are street legal product, are spare parts, you can buy it with the kit. The wiring harness, which is the most important part, it's made to be a plug and play product. No need to cut anything on the bike. This is a road book holder we built specifically for this bike. It's a custom-made product. This holds the classic road book with the paper inside, one ICO and a second ICO, but on this bike we have a RAM mount. You can use a mobile phone or other equipment, and also it's adjustable. The rider can move it and take the position he likes in order to see the road and the road book at the same time. All of these products are heavily tested on a very competitive rally here in Greece and also on other rally events around the world. We can customize to fit on your needs and on your bike. Enjoy the bike, and I will see you in the next build.